Good morning, guys. We are on the second day of our weight loss journey, and let's, as I said, first thing in the morning, I'll go on the scale. 177.4. 177.4. So yesterday's my weight and today is my weight, 177.4. What a result. I'll see you for breakfast. Okay, guys, we are going to have a breakfast. So before we have a breakfast, I would like to go back to our weight loss numbers. You see, yesterday starting 179.0 and today 177.4. So in the mind of that, we are going to Tuesday. Open your notebook. As I said, just get your notebooks ready on your hand, and let's see. So breakfast we'll have 2 eggs, vegetables 150, and whole grain bread 50 grams. So I remember my numbers here. Okay, so I have right here, I have 2 eggs. We set our scale here 2 grams. So for vegetables, I will have cucumber today, exactly 150. I already weighed it, so 150, and a piece of bread. I saved it from my husband. He was throwing in the trash that bread. Right? So and it's exactly like 51. So you can go like 5 plus or 5 minus grams. It will be fine. And I will have a little bit butter. We can have a little bit butter in the first half of the day. Right here, I'll just make a little toast here. Can you give me salt, please? Okay, all salted. And so we have toast, we have eggs, and whoa, that's a bad for bad luck. I need to put it over my shoulder, left shoulder, and spit it 3 times. So have a good luck. And we will have vegetables, 150 grams, and it's my cucumber. So before I just want to tell you that I already had my coffee, and we're doing you can have coffee in the morning, and I did with milk. You can have a milk creamer, but don't add any sugar or honey. So like that. And as I said before, we're going on the scale every morning, first thing in the morning, before we're getting dressed in the same clothing every morning. And we have a glass of warm water before our breakfast, plus coffee. Or if you cannot have warm glass of coffee, you just sorry, my husband distracts me on the background here. He just really wants to be in the video. I think he really like dying to be here in our video. But so yeah, just that I was going to tell you, you can have coffee, you can have glass of warm water, or you can have both. I kind of skipped glass of warm water for now. I should, but just too much liquid in me. So this is our breakfast. Enjoy your breakfast, and I will see you for lunch. Okay, welcome to my lunch. So it will be kind of quick lunch. I'm just running around here. So Tuesday, I'm looking at my notebook here and talking to you. So Tuesday, it's saying meat or liver, 100 grams. I am going to stay with chicken here that I prepped on Sunday. It's saying also plus pasta and plus or quinoa, rice, oats, barley, or millet. 150 grams. I'm going to stay with rice. And actually I kind of like in hurry today, so I need to go get my kids from school. I got like Costco rice here. And I kind of like separated it a little bit. So on my plate I have exactly 150 milligrams. Actually it was like 154, but it's okay, of rice and vegetables. I will have carrots and cucumber. And you know what I noticed that cucumber is like the heaviest. So if you like cucumbers, stay with cucumbers. That will get you the most weight, and you can go with that. And again, don't forget to exercise 30 minutes today. I'll go for a long walk plus exercise. But if you want to do both, that's great. But exercising should be there. Otherwise, your weight will not go down. Drink lots of water. You can drink black or green tea. That's pretty much for now. I will see you at the dinner time. Okay, have fun. Okay, guys, welcome to my dinner. So that's pretty much my dinner. Let's go look over our notebook. So Tuesday dinner, it's evening time. You can have buckwheat, quinoa, or rice. And my apologies, I think I told you 40, but no, it should be 70. So if you can correct it right there. Plus cooked vegetables, 250 grams. So for you can have buckwheat, quinoa, or rice, or oats, brown rice, barley, or millet. So one of those. I had at home a buckwheat, so I made buckwheat. I already weighted all my food on the scale, so 70 grams of buckwheat, and also cooked vegetables, 250 grams. I weighted all food on my little scale right here. So for my cooked vegetables, I just boiled water and boiled broccoli and carrots for about like 3-4 minutes. And they look good. So this is my dinner for today. I went for a walk for 20 minutes around the house, and I did my exercises for today. Don't forget exercises, because if you will not do it, your weight will stay on the same level. It will not go down. I just want to go over my morning results. So as you see, yesterday I was 179.0, this morning 177.4, and tomorrow I'm planning on going down. I don't know how much down I will go, but that's my results for now. And another thing I was going to tell you, so first couple weeks your weight will go really fast down. I'm like, for a day you can lose 1 pound, 1.2, 0.8, but for the next 2 weeks it will go slower. It will be like 0.3 pounds per day, 0.2 pounds per day, but it's understandable why it's like that, because your body kind of like shocked at first, and later your body just getting used to your meal intake. That's it. So I want to tell you about buckwheat. So this is pretty much buckwheat. That's buckwheat. I know you guys not used to buckwheat here in the United States, but basically we had buckwheat when I was a kid for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I'm not joking. My mom, she's watching me actually. Hi, Mom. So she was making buckwheat for us as a kids. Basically, she was boiling just like that, and diluting it with milk, and we ate that way. That was our breakfast meal in Ukraine. So yeah, same like cereals here with milk. We ate buckwheat with milk for breakfast before we went to school. Okay, so that's pretty much all I was going to tell you. Don't forget exercises. Just do some stretches before. Do exercises standing up, lift your legs, later go on the floor. Do some exercises on the floor, later get up, stretch again. So tomorrow, I'm sorry, I've been so busy. Tomorrow I'm going to show you how I do my exercises. But do them for sure, 25-30 minutes per day, combining with the meals preps that I'm offering on my channel. Okay, so that's pretty much it. I was going to tell you. I will see you in the morning. Have a good night.